Hey friends, today I'm here to make your life a whole lot easier, especially if you've ever stared at a weird chemical name and thought, how on earth do I say that? Welcome to the world of nomenclature, the fancy word for naming things in science. Let's break it down step by step. First up, what even is nomenclature? It's just a system scientists use to give everything a unique, logical name. Think of it like the world's most organized set of nicknames for every molecule, element, or compound out there. Let's start with something simple, elements. Each element has a 1 or 2 letter symbol. For example, H is hydrogen, O is oxygen, and Na is sodium. Easy, right? Now, onto compounds. When elements combine, the rules get a bit more interesting. Let's look at ionic compounds. These are made of metals and non-metals. For example, NaCl. How do we name it? First, say the name of the metal sodium. Then, take the non-metal chop off the end and add ID. So chlorine becomes chloride, sodium chloride. Boom, that's table salt. But what about when there's more than one possible form? Like iron can be Fe2+ or Fe3++. That's where Roman numerals come in. FeCl2 is iron 2 chloride. FeCl3, iron 3 chloride. The number tells you which version of iron you've got. Next up, covalent compounds. These are nonmetals bonded together. Here you use prefixes to tell how many atoms of each element are present, like CO2 carbon dioxide. Di means 2 oxygens. CO is carbon monoxide, mono means 1. Simple, right? Let's touch on acids. If it starts with H, chances are it's an acid. HCl in water, that's hydrochloric acid. If the anion ends in 8, the acid will end in IC acid. So H2SO4, that's sulfuric acid. Alright, quick recap metals first. ID for non-metals. Use Roman numerals for metals with more than one charge. Prefixes for covalent compounds. Special endings for acids. Nomenclature sounds fancy, but once you know the rules, you can name almost anything in chemistry. It's like learning a new language, but way more useful for quizzes. So next time you see a wild chemical formula, don't panic. Remember these steps, and you'll master the art of chemical naming in no time. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you next time.